So bathi elokhunjaneni bathi kuphi na? Bathi kuphi?
Where?
Somewhere in England kuphi.
Okay.
Yabo bekhona lamathita ayi2. Okay, I'll tell you one. Yabo. So this guy wahamba wayorufa ebank, and then makafika yorufa ebank wafika wathola khona abantu abasebenza khona bebe4 wafika bakhomba ngebaba wabathatha hostage ne.
Okay.
Then makabathatha hostage angithi obvious amaphoyisa yeze not wabatshela ukuthi guys it's either you uzoyenza ama demands wami or ngizobabulala labantu laba, you understand?
Yeah.
And then amaphoyisa amlalela ke waqala wenza ama demands wakhe. Demand number 1 ngifuna ukuthi ubro wami umunye oboshiwe sejele naye abuye azohlala nami lana. Yeah, and then that was that, yabo. And then after iskashana amaphoyisa ngena lapho bastoma in. Maqeda khipha ubro wakhe bathatha ama hostage ayi2.
Okay, so it was an exchange type of thing.
Yeah, wasala ama hostage ayi2, yabo. And then after lapho like into yathatha 7 days.
Yeah.
Ukuthi yenzeke if not 2 weeks ngizokhumbula kahle. Wabamba hostage for that long. You understand? So after khiphe le 2 yamphoyisa bona ukuthi lo muntu usimoshele isikhathi ugcina babulala bastoma in.
Yeah.
Bastoma in wasurrender. And then bambopha bakhipha ama victim. So abakhipha ama victim balanda ama victim ukuthi hayi nisindile nina asambeni mayisokuvulela lo muntu case lo muntu kumele aboshwe. Ama victim athi no.
Thina besicela right.
Asimvulela case lo muntu. Asi witness asenze next. Ani witness anenze next kanjani manje? Because of lo muntu uthatha hostage ama families when bewathukile bathi no, lo muntu lo lento akayenzile right. Unama reason ukuthi na ayenze lento le ayenzile. Kahle yini abantu aba wrong. So they were like
Njani though?
Kanjani though? Because of thina singenele lapha ukuzosiza nini.
Yes.
And then at the end of the day nina sene blame thina kwenzakaleni to the limit yokuthi oyi1 wama victim wa end up ethandana
naye
ne robber yakhe ne victim yakhe. You understand?
It's so normal though, because even nabo dema after they boshiwe babethola ama letter from girls.
Yeah. Yeah, but le umuntu like is your abuser.
Yeah.
Ukabusile lo muntu beka threaten impilo yakho from your freedom suspect ukuthi uzomgobhela lo muntu. You understand? But they were like no. You understand? So that's when bahlala phansi babastudisha labantu babastudisha. But uthola ukuthi no man. This thing is a norm le. Lento le into yenzeka worldwide. It's a pity slogo singayazi and singakwazi ukuidentify. Bayiqamba igama bathi Stockholm syndrome.
Yes.
Stockholm
syndrome.
Stockholm syndrome.
Okay.
So Stockholm syndrome compared to domestic abuse ihamba kanje, ne?
Yeah.
But Stockholm syndrome and domestic abuse are complex issues, emotionally and physically challenges. Understanding these dynamics helps. Yabona. But 1, emphasize survivors. Ne? 2, recognize hidden abuse signs. 3, support those affected, promote health and relationship. Challenge social norm. Yabona. Takeaway keys. 9, number 1. When I know your abuser. Number 1. Never nendo babiza ukuthi it's trauma bonding.
Okay. We've been through a lot, babe.
We've been through a lot.
We came this far.
Thank you. Victim forms strong emotional connection with abuser. Exactly the way we khuluma ngakhona, baby. Mina nawe sibuya fair. Izinto esibuye kuzo. And sometimes you find ukuthi it's not just ukuthi sibuya fair. You find ukuthi it's yazi mina ekhaya beng abused and yazi nami ekhaya beng abused. Yazi mama nobaba benza kanje. So we can relate and we can singayinqoba this thing.
Yes.
We understand that we can win this thing. Okay. Yabo. 2, power imbalance. Bathi abusers maintain control through fear, ukhulume ngayo, manipulation and isolation. Zonke lezi zinto sikhulume ngazo. Uyangiunderstand ngisaba nokumyekela, ngisaba ini, and then uphethe nawe yazi ukuthi makakubamba kuphi uzovuma. Uyangiunderstand? And then always ama abusers, that's what they always do. They isolate you, abakufuni phakathi kwabantu because of they fear ama advisors wathola kubantu.
Trust me, they will tell you how bad these people they want to break us. abasifunela into enhle, we have a beautiful thing, and now they're telling you this, bayakumonela. I
Yeah.
agree.
Ukufuna we one
Wow.
lena. Yeah, I understand.
Yes.
And then, okay, basically, manipulation and isolation. And then number 3, it's cognitive dissonance. Victim reconcile contrary feelings. We understand. Or cognitive dissonance. Victim reconcile contradictory feelings. So, in other words, uyazi ukuthi
Afanelanga ube lana.
uyazizwa nawe.
Do you know?
And uyazizwa, but hayi mara back to your point boykhuluma hayi yazi
Better the devil that you know than the one that you don't know.
and nangalesa sikhathi bekangiphethe kahle, so that person usezobuya ithi ngaphela umoya.
Yes.
Yabo, so it's izinto ekumele siz understand lezo, yabo.
Yes.
Because of our emotion, they go from rage to helplessness to fear, protective instincts. You understand? So yeah, it's a lot. So this particular person, man, in short, the people aba undergo abuse, those people are sick and they are not aware ukuthi bayagula. Those people baphethwe yiso lesifo leso bathi baphethwe Stockholm syndrome. It's a syndrome, bruh. Those people are sick. You'll always defend your abuser. You do not see anything wrong because of the one thing, the one power the abusers are sebenzisayo. It is to say, but baby, you know me, I'll never do this. When you led me to do this, if when you did not push me to this point, Mina, I would have never done this and this and this and that. So it is your fault.
And I'm money.
We understand. So as soon as into we fault yako, then we have to go till we accept it because of he put halal.
I'm the one who made him to do
yeah,
this. I'm
understand.
the one who made them to do this.
We understand. So you need to take that power back. You need to take that power back from that person. And Tina, the people abangaphandle, we need to help you ukuthi ubone ukuthi this is wrong. This thing lo muntu akayenza kuwe
But
it's
how
wrong.
long will our people support us when it's a circle, it's a continuous thing? Like they see you fading in their eyes.
The aim is not to sweat, bruh. The aim is not to lose hope. Yazi consistency.
Yeah.
Consistency.
But now, you know what abusers do? I mean, being abantu abuse you, they block those people. They end up not telling, they block them because of you feel judged, you feel all these sorts of things. So the moment you told her that one person who's trying to rescue you, we have a block.
But nathi Tina in our most of enkulumeni yethu ubuningi balezi zinto lezi sizikhaverile ne. Tina i-duty yethu mfethu to protect abantu abakuleso simo. It is our duty. As soon as you see the change in behavior, report.
But
Don't
now,
just sit.
but now, honestly speaking, now we're gonna talk about umthetho. You see signs, you go report. Mina mangifika lapha ngikhuluma something different. There's no case.
Yazi, it's not just ukureporta kumthetho ne. I think nakukithi as a community, let's come together. You understand? Sikhulumeni ukuthi bafethu kanje na kanje na kanje na kanje.